Water down here during this right now. As you can see, it's magnificent. I think we will create a small video and just go up at it. Something like that. Nice. What? Oh shit, what are you saying? Well, canal route. Nice. Exactly what I was looking for. Right? No, I don't know where this one goes. It goes somewhere. I'm getting something else, but I think this will do it today. Oh, okay. Oh shit, it goes on and on. Where does this go then? Can you see that? Okay. Oh shit. What are you saying, man? Bro. That's insane, bro. Wow. The fuck? Are you serious? Okay, so I didn't come looking for this. This is what I found. And you know what? I love it. In fact, I love it. Absolutely. Core of my heart, love it. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. So let's check out more how this goes, where it comes from, where we are, what we're doing. Oh, what? It's a railway track. Okay. Shit, that looks nice. As you can see. Wow. This is beautiful. Now I'm getting curious as to where this goes. Guess we'll have to check it out, huh? Woo. Let's go. Now I'm like super curious. Okay. So let's go. Yeah, is this the one he was talking about? Yes, so. Wow, that's the view. Oh, it's a pipe breaking there, you see that? Nobody's going to fix that obviously, because they won't fix it. Holy fucking shit, man. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Marvelous. Oh my goodness. Are you serious? Okay. Whoa. Nice, dude. Alright, we gotta keep moving. We gotta keep hustling. the road that goes up. Now I'm more curious. Okay. 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 Oh shit. What? Okay, these better not be human remains. Looks pretty freaky, man. But something I guess has decomposed here. Oh, there are more bones on that side. What the hell is this place? Oh yeah, it's a cow. You can see that one. Yep. God bless you, dear Gaumata. Whoa, that's another of a horn. I guess I'm not going to. Nah, respect the dead, bro. I'm not going to touch it. Okay, it smells horrible, but yeah, I guess. To a cow. Rest in peace. Why do you smell so bad? I hope there's not dead bodies here. So there's another. Oh shit, that's fresh. That's fresh, man. Oh, do they sacrifice cows here? Okay, there's a cow skull there. Okay. I'm in for some weird shit right now. I don't even know where this is headed. But I guess, yeah. Signs of humankind. Right, this is the place, I guess. Yeah, it does. Oh, it does go. Shouldn't we really go in there? But yeah, I don't think it goes much further. What is this? That's it. Oh shit, something moved. Shit. Bail out, bro. Stay on the bike. Stay on the bike. Stay on the bike. Stay on the bike. No problem. Bye bye, cows. Thank you for your service. What the hell is that? Plastic? I can understand that. Cows. That's like worse, dude. It's like thermocol, plastic cups. So people do come here just to destroy it. I don't know where this goes, but I really would want to find out. What is this place? Okay, dude, are you serious? This is in the middle of here? What the fuck, dude? Now I'm even more curious. Are you serious? Here's the canal. Okay, that goes there. Oh, super bad road to be riding on, especially if you have an Activa with you. Whoa! Are you serious, bro? This is where I'm at? Oh, fuck yeah. See that? I don't think I should be climbing this one, but yeah, I think you can see that pretty well. That's insane. I'd like to go check out further, see what the world has in store for us. So that we can do the dam some other day. Okay, so actually it is insanity. See, I'm looking for something else, and I surely found something completely different than what I was looking for. Holy man. Oh, this is another one of those. So where does this go, man? Come on, you've got to stop somewhere, right? Where's the barricade to do that? Woo! Oh, right. Oh, shit. Oh, what the fuck, dude? Are you serious? You see that? Holy shit! You see that? That's in the middle of fucking nowhere. Okay, I have to get there. I'm gonna find a way.